This video demonstrates how to install a contact encoder in the FARGO DTC5500LMX card printer. Before installing a contact encoder, make sure the printer already has a contactless encoder installed. Turn off the printer using the front button. Remove the power cord from the back of the printer. Remove the ribbon cartridge. Tilt the printer onto its back. Open the reject hopper cover. Note the location of the 3 screws which need to be removed in the next step. Remove the 3 screws as shown. Lift the front cover and disconnect the display cable. Close the reject hopper cover and lift the printer onto its base. Now remove the following 10 screws from the back of the printer. Remove these 10 screws using a Torx T10 screwdriver. The encoder kit contains the following items: Encoder Upgrade User Guide, HID OmniKey 5121, the USB board for the encoder, yellow notice card and screw for the USB board. Remove the following connector from the printer main board. Remove the screw from the main board using the Torx key provided with the kit. Fit the USB board to the main board with the provided long screw. Slide the I-Class MyFair encoder into the right-hand bay as shown. Push the encoder fully home for a solid contact with the main board. The contact encoder goes into the left bay of the printer. Insert the contact encoder and push it home securely to ensure a solid contact with the printer board. Route the encoder cable towards the back of the printer. Use any one of the 3 USB connectors to connect the encoder cable. Refit the back panel by inserting the 2 left screw tabs into the housing as shown. Secure the plate middle screw first. Tilt the printer onto its back to fit the front LCD cover. Replace the LCD cover by inserting the 3 tabs into the housing as shown. Connect the LCD cable. Open the reject hopper door to close the LCD panel. Replace the 3 screws as shown. Lift the printer back onto its base. Install the ribbon cartridge. The upgrade procedure is now complete.